In the industrial sector, surfaces in various production facilities must be cleaned. Before beginning work, it must be ensured that the power supply of the facility to be cleaned has been disconnected. Initially, loose dirt is removed with a hand brush, a brush, or a powerful industrial vacuum cleaner. In order to prevent damage, it is recommended to preferably use pH-neutral industrial cleaning agents. In the next step, the cleaning solution is prepared. An outlet tap simplifies the preparation of the cleaning solution with a graduated beaker. In the course of this, the manufacturer's dosage specifications must be adhered to. The use of the cleaning solution in a spray bottle is recommended for efficient handling. Personal protective equipment must be worn when preparing the cleaning solution and later during cleaning. Ideally, the cleaning cloth is refolded 3 times, as a result of which 16 clean cloth surfaces are available. Subsequently, the wetting with the cleaning solution is carried out. A particular challenge during the cleaning of surfaces in the industrial sector is posed by the usually high degree of soiling, as well as a wide variety of materials, for example metal, plastic and glass. The cloth is folded after the cleaning of the finished area, providing a clean cloth surface for the next area. The prerequisite for the ensuring of the quality level and the preservation of the value of the production facility is the regular cleaning of the important machine components. After using all cloth surfaces, the cleaning cloth is put in the laundry.